Good day to everyone. I'm Dr. Noli Calderon from the Philippines, and I'm honored to be part of this meaningful conversation. Before I begin, I extend my warm congratulations to the Independent Perception and Research Hub, Bangladesh, led by Professor Dr. Sharyar Parvez, on your fifth founding anniversary. Your dedication to research and dialogue continues to shape informed action across the region and beyond. As an educator and school leader, I view Sustainable Development Goal 2, Zero Hunger, not as a distant ambition, but as an urgent need rooted in the daily experiences of students and families. This goal is about more than food. It is about dignity, equity, and removing one of the most persistent barriers to learning, hunger. Globally, over 735 million people were chronically undernourished in 2022. In the Philippines alone, nearly 3 million families experienced hunger in 2023. In our schools, hunger looks like the child who cannot focus, the student who misses class due to fatigue, or the learner whose development is slowed by malnutrition. These struggles often go unnoticed, but they are real and they are urgent. Hunger directly affects learning. Chronic undernutrition impairs memory, concentration, and brain development. A stunted child is significantly less likely to reach literacy targets by age 8. So we cannot separate hunger from education. It is a deeply linked concern. Many countries have responded well. In India and Brazil, school feeding programs improve both nutrition and participation. In the Philippines, our Department of Education provides meals to thousands of children. At St. Mark Integrated School, we adopted wellness breaks and flexible learning schedules so students can eat, rest, and return to learning with energy. But hunger starts long before school and extends long after. That's why we must teach hunger as part of the curriculum in science, math, social studies, and values education. As international educators, we all have a role to play. We can build hunger aware classrooms, form partnerships, and teach in ways that nourish not just the intellect, but the child as a whole. Ending hunger may take time, but through education grounded in compassion and purpose, we can help break the cycle. Let us continue to teach minds and feed futures. Thank you and mabuhay.